Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Hope you are all loving yourself. Hope you are all enjoying in your life. So, I posted an Instagram story asking you all to ask me some questions if you have any queries or anything. So, you have asked me so many beautiful questions and now I'm here to answer it all. Also, before starting the video, I just want to say that this is my first time talking in front of camera, so please bear with me if I get nervous. I'm sorry. So let's get started. Also, please ignore the background noise. I'm really sorry for that. Let's start the first question. Are you a government teacher? Yes, I'm a government teacher. I recently just got appointed in February, I guess. So next question. How did you find about BTS? Love you. First of all, love you. So I know about BTS since 2017, but in 2018 when Fake Love came out, me and my sister just watching VH1 Fake Love, then like came out MV देखकर मतलब इतना इम्प्रेस हुई थी, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था वो Fake Love जो गाना था, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था मुझे। तो मैंने उसका वीडियो डाउनलोड किया, अपने लैपटॉप पे रखा था, बट आई वॉज जस्ट अ फैन एट दैट टाइम। तब तक मैं आर्मी नहीं बनी थी। तो मैंने BTS का इंटरव्यू देखा था जिमी फैलन का, वहाँ पे मतलब वो लोग एक केओटिक दिख रहे थे और उनका बॉन्ड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। तो मैंने तब से मैंने उनका मैंने कुछ बोला है तो तब से मैंने उनका नाम सर्च किया यूट्यूब पे एंड यू नो द रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री। व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्टेड लर्निंग डांसिंग? मतलब बचपन से ही मुझे डांस का शौक था। मैं ऐसे ही घर पे डांस करती रहती थी, वैसे खाना बनाते समय भी डांस करती थी, ऐसे ही मतलब पढ़ाई करते समय भी अचानक उठ के डांस करी थी। तो ऐसे ही मेरा चलता रह रहा था। फिर मैं स्कूल में भी थोड़ा बहुत परफॉर्म किया। फिर मैं कॉलेज में जब गई तब मैंने सीरियस होकर थोड़ा डांस करना स्टार्ट किया। काफ़ी प्रेस किया वहाँ पर, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि हाँ मैं भी डांस कर सकती हूँ, मुझे मतलब करना चाहिए। तो ऐसे ही मैंने करना स्टार्ट किया। फिर मेरे फ्रेंड्स से बोला कि क्यों नहीं मैं यूट्यूब में अपलोड करूँ, तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करना स्टार्ट किया। बाद में टिकटॉक पे किया, फिर बाद में इंस्टाग्राम। डू यू हैव एनी BTS मर्च? आई डोंट हैव एनी ऑफिशियल मर्च। इंस्टाग्राम से मिल जाता है प्रमोशन के लिए ज़्यादातर। आपकी एज? आई एम 24, born in 1997, जंगकुक्स क्लासमेट क्लासमेट नहीं, ईयरमेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. How do you handle your friends who don't like BTS? They are not like, they don't like BTS but they support me. They never said anything bad about BTS. Tell me about your skincare and hair care. I don't follow any skincare. I don't follow any hair care. Actually, I'm too lazy. What do you plan to take as a career? I'm a teacher. This is my career. But I want to be a lecturer, professor, like university में पढ़ाना मेरा dream है. Favorite K-dramas? I've just watched minimum K-dramas. So Angel's Last Mission, which I first watched. Reply 1988. Goblin. Yes. Bias in BTS. My bias is Jungkook. What's your parents' reaction about your Instagram? My father doesn't even know that there is a thing called Instagram. उनको पता भी नहीं कि Instagram जैसी कोई चीज़ भी है। लाइक थोड़ा आइडिया है कि मैं वीडियोस अपलोड करती हूँ, डांस करती हूँ, बट इतना उनको डायरेक्टली नहीं, उन्होंने कभी देखा नहीं है। ऑल्सो माई मॉम नोज दिस। थोड़ी इरिटेट होती है बट शी इज ओके। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? व्हाट आर यू स्टडिंग? आई एम फ्रॉम असम एंड आई एम अ टीचर एंड बट आई एम स्टडिंग मास्टर्स in English. Did you ever feel like giving up? Yes, I do. Like, sometimes I feel so low that, but it's very obvious that we are humans. We all feel sometimes low, sometimes happy. So that's very normal. How do you practice dance as a self-taught? So जो डांस का कवर करना है उसको मैं मतलब बहुत बार देखती हूँ। मैं ट्यूटोरियल जो यूट्यूब पे होता है वो देखती हूँ। This one is asked by so many people. So here is it. How is it being a teacher plus student plus creator? Do you have any students who are critics? देखना पड़ता है कि कब, जब अगर स्कूल का टाइम हो तो स्कूल के टाइम में मैं जाती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा आराम करती हूँ, फिर कुछ कंटेंट बनाना हो तो मैं बना लेती हूँ, और अगर कुछ डांस कवर भी करना हो तो देन आई प्रैक्टिस लाइक whenever I get time. I'll make a vlog soon on like कैसे मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, how I go to school, how I manage my dance, how I manage like creating my content. Like this, how I manage my studies and all. So wait for the schools to open. Do you have any students who are kritis? Like they are all children, little children, primary children, so उनको ये सब नहीं पता. Do you live alone or with your parents? Yes, I live alone with my sister. Me and my sister live like in the town. Did you take any dance lessons or it's just something you're born with? I guess it's something I'm born with. I never take any dance classes. I wanted to, but situation ही ऐसा था. This one is weird. Aren't you lucky to have a BTS logo shape in your with teeth? So everyone say that yes, my front teeth look like BTS logo. I don't know, it's really weird, but kind of cute compliment, I guess. So thank you so much. Next question. Which was your first dance cover? On Instagram, last year I posted on July 8th, I guess. Serendipity video. If you haven't checked, go check it out. The first cover was I uploaded on TikTok, which was Boy With Love. What is your biggest fear? Losing you all, guys. Tell me about how you get so much confidence to make videos and reels, because whenever I try, it sucks. Like when I first started uploading videos, it was trash. So don't feel discouraged. Just make it till it happen. Confidence अपने आप आ जाता है बनाते बनाते. Hey, you're so beautiful, Dee. I love your dance skills. And by the way, who is your bias from BTS? It's JK. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for loving. Thank you for supporting. Next question. Is it difficult for you to manage your studies as well as your job at the same time? By the way, love you, Dee. Love you. It's not that difficult, you know. जब स्कूल का टाइम होता है मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, फिर आती हूँ, थोड़ा रेस्ट करती हूँ, फिर जब स्टडी का टाइम होता है तो स्टडी करती हूँ. That's how I manage. How long you take to learn a dance choreography? It depends on the choreo. थोड़ा टफ choreo होता है तो 5 to 6 days लगता है, या फिर 3 days भी कभी भी लगता है. और अगर मतलब रील्स बनाना हो तो 1 day, I guess. Unni, do you ever abuse someone for BTS? Why would I? Those who abuse others are not our BTS army. Unni, you feel K-pop audition forms? No. You know, I make dance covers for my own happiness. Like it makes me happy. That's why I make dance covers. I don't want to make career out of it. I already made my career. I am a teacher, so dance is all about my happiness. So मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है मैं वो डांस करती हूँ. That's how. तो मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं है like competitions में जाना या auditions देना. Which app you used for editing? I mostly use InShot for like for adding sounds and all. I also use CapCut, like those motion effect for dance covers. It's from KineMaster and CapCut. Tips for dancing K-pop. Be confident. Practice till you make it. Good facial expressions. That's all I can say. I'm still a learner, you know. I'm not a pro in dancing. So, which phone do you use to make reels? Currently, I'm using MI A3. I'm planning of buying a new phone. Next question. Secret of your beauty. Filter. How many siblings do you have? I have only one sibling. My sibling, Jisoo. Don't mind me. I'm Haley. I'm 15-year-old. I want to start dance, but I have low confidence. Can I get 100? First of all, hi Haley. You're very young, so just start dancing. You know, when I was 15, I had no idea what to do in my life. मेरे को कुछ पता ही नहीं है, मतलब इतनी गधी थी मैं उस टाइम पे. So you are so young. Start it now. अगर तुम्हें कुछ अच्छा लगता है, कुछ डांस करना चाहती हो तो start करो. Have confidence, practice. That's all. Do you remember your first viral video? If yes, then which it is? Can you show us? Yes, it was on TikTok last year, I guess. On March, my first video, which was on like BTS का जो concert, online concert होने वाला था, उसके ऊपर मैंने एक video बनाया था. This was the first video which got 10k likes and I was so shocked. उसके बाद I I kept getting followers. So yes, I remember that, but sadly I don't have that video. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for asking so many questions. So I'm really sorry if I miss anyone. Like, I try to answer the most common questions, so I may skip your one, so I'm really sorry for that. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, like the video and comment down below अगर और भी कुछ queries हो, अगर कुछ जानना हो या फिर कुछ भी anything कुछ पूछना हो तो पूछ लेना comment में. Till then, thank you, bye, thank you for watching. Ho rahe, keep loving yourself. Sarangi.